What is inflated billing and auto insurance fraud? Have you ever wondered how some people try to take advantage of their auto insurance? One common method is inflated billing and auto insurance fraud. So, what does this mean? Inflated billing occurs when someone intentionally exaggerates the costs related to an insurance claim. This could be for vehicle repairs, medical treatments, or other expenses linked to an auto accident. The goal is to receive a higher payout than what is actually owed. For instance, a person might claim that their vehicle suffered more damage than it truly did. Sometimes, they may even add damages that happened after the accident or that are unrelated to it. Another tactic involves exaggerating injuries from a collision. This could mean claiming that injuries were more severe or lasted longer than they actually did, just to justify unnecessary medical treatments. Additionally, some individuals may submit false invoices from repair shops or medical providers. These invoices can show inflated costs that do not reflect the actual services rendered. This practice is not only illegal but also unethical. It misleads insurance companies and can lead to significant financial losses for them. From a legal standpoint, inflated billing can have serious consequences. Insurance companies are trained to investigate claims that seem suspicious. They will look for discrepancies between reported damages or injuries and actual evidence, such as medical records or repair estimates. If they find that a claim is fraudulent, they can deny it outright. Moreover, if someone is caught committing this type of fraud, they may face criminal charges. This could lead to fines or even jail time, depending on the severity of the offense. Additionally, insurance companies may cancel policies for individuals suspected of submitting inflated claims. For policyholders, it is essential to understand that submitting honest claims is vital. Accurate reporting helps maintain fair insurance costs for everyone. When inflated billing occurs, it drives up the overall cost of claims, which can lead to higher premiums for all policyholders. Insurance companies often employ adjusters, medical experts, and repair specialists to verify claims. This thorough verification process is crucial in detecting and preventing inflated billing. By being transparent and honest in your claims, you not only protect your coverage but also contribute to a healthier insurance system for everyone.